Good afternoon, investors. We are approaching the end of July 2022. And in the past week, we've noticed some dramatic changes in the statistics behind the changes we've already noticed in the marketplace. So what are we talking about? We're talking about interest rates that have gone up pretty dramatically in a short period of time. We're talking about, more importantly than that, people's properties for sale, which is a really quick reacting marketplace, sitting on the market. There used to be 100 different people that wanted to get into a home. They were fighting for it in Austin, Texas at the beginning of the year, even last year, 2021. This year, can you hear the crickets? They're sitting around. There's price reductions. I see a different article nationally every day come out about Austin at 1, 2, or 3 position as having the greatest price reductions to get homes sold. So what does this mean to you if you're a real estate investor in a rental market? It means that that's going to trickle through. The supply typically goes like this: winter, summer, winter, summer. The demand, winter, summer, winter, summer. This year, as it was supposed to be trickling down, supply went dramatically upward in just the last 2 to 3 weeks. Demand has been trending downward, increasingly so, because interest rates not only got hiked, they got hiked again, and they're going to get hiked even more. So, is it a horrible time to invest? Is it a horrible time to buy a property? Absolutely not. The truth is that even if you're paying 5 or 6% interest, it's really a great deal historically. But over time, you're going to have to work that out because it takes a while in the rental market. So prices don't change overnight like they do in sales. There's 1 year, 2 year leases in place. So expect those prices to go up or down, currently downward, even at an odd time of the year, slower. So while you may see price reductions of 20 grand, 50 grand, 100 grand on a home, you're going to see rent reductions of $50, $100, $200, $300 to get those homes listed. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you are an investor in Austin, Texas, here at the end of July, I can tell you right now, supply is going to continue to go up. Homes that have been in progress are not going to stop. Those materials have been brought in. The lots are owned and ready, and the builders are going to build. The demand is going to continue to trickle. At the end of the summer, people are out of the house. They're out blowing and going. They're finishing out their summer, the first one in 3 years without massive COVID restrictions, and they are not looking for a property to rent. So if you're entering into the end of July, August, September, October, and through the traditional slow season, you better be very aggressive on price. If you're looking for the man behind the curtain, like the Wizard of Oz, and saying, well, it's the agent's fault, or the property manager's fault, or if only I had a different agent, this property would sell. If only I had a different property manager, this property would lease. You're lying to yourself. The truth is, condition and price are the only things that matter. Location matters, but you can't change it. So really, it's off the table for us. Always condition and price. We discussed in another video our bank rating standards. That's to ensure that anybody comes to look at your home, wants that home, and loves your home. Then we've got price. It's the only factor left on the table. So, ladies and gentlemen, please be aggressive on price. You're going to sit on the market 4 months wishing, or get somebody in there in month 1 or 2 with an aggressive price point, and the yield is going to be much greater over the course of time. Don't forget, you can come back next year. There'll be a price increase in rent. Push it upward after we run the CMA for you. But we've got to get it occupied and cash flowing. Nobody wants to sit 3 or 4 months and then point the finger at somebody else when really the pricing was the problem. Let us know if we can do anything for you. As always, consult with your property manager. They've got graphs for you to show you these trends in real time, and they're happy to help you. We are here, and we only succeed if you are successful and reach your investing goals. Online, you can find us, 1836propertymanagement.com or 512-994-4322. Thanks for your time.